Hello friends, this is Somaranjan Naik and I welcome you to my channel The Mango Researcher. Dear friends, this is a COVID protocol that every student in the campus has to put his or her mask on wherever they are moving in. Let it be a hostel or academic area, anywhere you go, you have to put your mask on. So these are not the normal times and I have already made a video regarding my room tour and mess tour. You can see somewhere in the I button over here. Today I am thinking of giving you a tour of my hostel, the various facilities we have.
Hello friends, this is the entrance of Hostel 13. This was inaugurated in the year 2002 by Nandan Nilekani. This is the permanent resident of the hostel. Can you see how calmly he is sleeping in the middle of the day? This is the foundation stone. So these cycles are either the abandoned cycle of the previous batch or they are the cycles of the batch of the students who haven't returned yet after they were forced to go to their home after lockdown. Look at the condition of the cycles here. Very bad situation. So over here you can see this way you'll go to the office, and over there you see all the different wings where students stay. This is the store in hostel store. It stays open till 12 in the night and it has got all facilities from photocopying to noodles to biscuits, whatnot, you name it, and we have it in the shop. It's pretty well stuffed. So this is the parking place inside the hostel. It extends from block C till the very office. There are loads of cycles parked here, you can see, and the office is somewhere there near the shop that I have just shown. And this is hostel 12. You can see in the front of us hostel 12 there, and this is the playground where mostly students play in the evening. So this is the badminton court for the hostel mates. So this is the B block of our hostel. It's a 7-story hostel, and in between you see the recreational area over here. Yes, that one. Over here you find table tennis, football, pool, TV, carom, everything, and we spend most of our time there. Then this is my block, the C block, somewhere over there. Yes, over there I stay, and this is the beautiful garden that we have in between the two blocks. So this is the beautiful view from the 6th floor of Hostel 13. You can see the hills in the Sanjay Gandhi National Park in the background, and this is Hostel 12. Over here beneath we have the mess, and top of it we have the path connecting the Hostel 13 to the road. Here we have the tall Hostel 14. And there is Hostel 17 being made, and in the background you can see Powai Lake. So this is the area in the balcony. So you can see the Powai Lake. Beyond the Powai Lake is Powai. It's a big residential area. I think that is the L&T office. We have sunset now. This is the Renaza Hotel. And this is our balcony where we can sit and relax. So friends, welcome to the recreational space in the 5th floor. Here we have the pool table. Then we have foosball. They are kept separate in a room. Over here we have the tech room. Hardly I ever saw anyone using it. As per the COVID-19 protocols, you have sanitized across the hostel. This is the TT section. People usually come enjoy here. Then we come to the TV section. You see the emptied beds and sofa. This used to be a very beautiful place full of life, but now everything is gone. This is the 65-inch television that we have. We used to enjoy the El Clasicos, the test matches, films, everything. This was a beautiful place. The real beauty of this hanging recreational space is beyond this window. It's a treat to eyes. Let's see. See, isn't it beautiful? I'll give you 10 seconds to enjoy. Just enjoy this view. We have the garden beneath it. So this is the front view of the TV section. You have posters of various sports personalities starting from Shane Warne, Michael Jordan, Muhammad Ali, Sir Don Bradman. So during the El Clasico matches, the football matches, the cricket matches, this creates a beautiful ambience out here. You really enjoy. So here is the logo of Hostel 13, the hostel where I stay. And in this section, when I turn around, we have chess, we have carom board, and right over here we used to have our newspapers lined up, and magazines, various magazines out there used to be kept, but because of COVID those things are gone. Next we have a computer section. Let's go into it. What's there? Let's see. So you have got various segmented tables and monitors fit. So students mostly come here and they study. It's a huge room. Next over here we have a library. Though it's named library, but there is no books inside it as far as I know. Let's see what's inside. Yes. So you can see this is a huge space, and basically the mirrors out here are used for dance practices. We have PG level dance events. We have got inter-department level dance events. So this is a very useful place. Next. Let's go, and over here you can see the boxing and the dart room. Let's go inside. Over here there is some sort of cycle, and here is the punching bag. Again here you have a window. Let's have a view from it. Over there you can see some students near the parking lot, and here we have guard bhai. They are very vigilant, very vigilant. Over there you can see a cone. That cone is the entrance of our mess. So this is a different view of the same things that you have already seen. Next is the gym section. Well, we have hostel gyms and central gyms. Every hostel has their own gym, and you can see various equipments out here. It is again closed because of the non-contact policies, or you can say the protocols of COVID. This used to be an area full of students, and anyone who is not happy with these equipments can go to the central space.